fatty acid synthase complex fatty acid synthesis. Okay, fatty acid synthesis. Yes, you know, fatty acid synthase occur in fat state. We are in normal situation, we are in fat state. We are taking our diet regularly at regular time intervals, so we can say that we are in fat state. In normal situation, yes, in normal situation, I told you carbohydrate we ingest 50% is used for energy production and 50% is stored, 10% in the form of glycogen, 40% in the form of triacyl glycerol, means fatty acids. So when glucose is metabolized, glucose is converted to pyruvate by glycolysis. Pyruvate is converted to acetyl coenzyme by pyruvate dehydrogenase. Then acetyl coenzyme enter Krebs cycle, and one acetyl coenzyme produce 10 ATP. We know. Okay, I again repeat. Yes, one acetyl coenzyme enter Krebs cycle to produce how many ATPs? 10 ATPs. Frequently asked question. Okay. Now, when energy requirement of cell is fulfilled, those extra acetyl coenzyme are diverted towards fatty acid synthesis. Means when carbohydrate is converted to pyruvate, glucose to pyruvate, pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme enter Krebs cycle, energy is produced, energy requirement is fulfilled. Now extra acetyl coenzyme will synthesize fatty acid. So starting point of fatty acid synthesis is acetyl coenzyme. So we have sufficient large number of acetyl coenzyme present in cytosol. Acetyl coenzyme is having 2 carbon. We found that acetyl coenzyme is converted to malonyl coenzyme. Malonyl coenzyme is having 3 carbon. 2 carbon is compound is 3 carbon compound. So 1 carbon must be joined. And joining of carbon dioxide is called carboxylation. So the name of enzyme is acetyl coenzyme A carboxylase, and the cofactor for carboxylase is biotin. Another name of this enzyme is malonyl coenzyme A synthetase. Malonyl coenzyme A synthetase. And I told you what is the difference between synthase and synthetase. Yes, synthase, no ATP used. Synthetase, ATP used. Now, synthase no ATP used, synthetase ATP used. Synthase classified under lyase. We will discuss shortly. Synthetase is classified under ligase. Ligase. Clear? So, this is synthetase. It means ATP used. So ATP used. Malonyl coenzyme produced. So in fat state we have sufficient amount of acetyl coenzyme in cytosol, and we found that few molecules of acetyl coenzyme are converted to malonyl coenzyme. Now you will say that in cytosol both acetyl and malonyl coenzymes are there, Acetyl coenzyme is having 2 carbon, malonyl coenzyme is having 3 carbon. So further synthesis will take place on this complex. This complex is called fatty acid synthase complex. Focus on this complex. Bas, it's okay. So this is fatty acid synthase complex given in your handouts. This is a multi-enzyme complex question. Fatty acid synthase complex is a multi-enzyme complex. Question: fatty acid synthase complex is main enzyme of fatty acid synthesis. Main enzyme of fatty acid synthesis. Yes. If question is asked, what is the rate limiting enzyme of fatty acid synthesis? Yes, acetyl coenzyme carboxylase. Yes, acetyl coenzyme carboxylase is rate limiting enzyme. Acetyl coenzyme carboxylase is a rate limiting enzyme for fatty acid synthesis. Okay. Now, so rate limiting enzyme, this enzyme, main enzyme, fatty acid synthase complex, multi-enzyme complex having semi-enzymatic activity. You can represent this fatty acid synthase complex, or you can say that this fatty acid synthase complex is having two monomeric subunit, first and second. Okay, each subunit is having two end. One end is cysteine, another end is pen. We found that cysteine end of one unit is against pen end of another. Pen end of this unit is against cysteine end of this. Okay, or you can say two units are arranged in head to tail fashion. These are arranged in head to tail fashion, means head of one is against tail of another. Okay, or you can represent this fatty acid synthase complex like this. First subunit is having two end, cysteine and pen. Second subunit is having two end, cysteine and pen. And cysteine of one is against pen of another. Pen of this is against cysteine of this. So we found that cysteine is against pen and S. Yes. Now we start fatty acid synthesis. This is the these are common statement about these are important statement about fatty acid synthase complex. Yes, this is multi-enzyme complex. This is the main enzyme of fatty acid synthesis. It is having two subunit. Each subunit is having two ends, cysteine and pen end. Pen end is against cysteine and cysteine end is against pen. Okay, these two units subunits are arranged in head to tail fashion, and each yes, this is having semi-enzymatic activity. Okay, now we start fatty acid synthesis. We start from the first reaction again. Yes, I told you that the first fatty acid synthase acetyl coenzyme is converted to malonyl coenzyme, means there are so many acetyl coenzyme and malonyl coenzyme present in cytosol. Now further when means the rate limiting enzyme was acetyl to malonyl coenzyme. When sufficient amount of acetyl and malonyl coenzyme are present in cytosol, further fatty acid synthesis will take place on fatty acid synthase complex. Fatty acid synthase complex, I told you the structure, and you can represent this fatty acid synthase complex like this. Now, look at me. This is, yes, cysteine end, this is pan end. Yes, suppose this is cysteine end and this is pan end. This is pan. Cysteine end again bind with acetyl AC. Pan end bind with malonyl. Yes, point it out. Question आता है. Yes, acetyl group bind with cysteine. Malonyl group bind with pan. This is pan end. On the opposite side, yes, this is pan end and this is cysteine. Okay, so suppose this is cysteine having acetyl, this is pan having manonyl. Okay, now this acetyl of cysteine will come to malonyl of pan, acetyl to malonyl thene. Now condensation reaction occur and one CO2 is removed. Yes, one CO2 removed. This acetyl comes to malonyl. Okay, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, condensation reaction occur, CO2 is removed and ketoacyl compound is formed having 4 carbon. Now this ketoacyl CH3 okay, having 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4 ketoacyl. This compound is ketoacyl, but we are to synthesize 4 carbon fatty acid, butyric acid. What is butyric acid? CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. There are so many questions recently asked topic. So many questions are being asked from this topic. This is a favorite topic of PH Chandigarh. Now NB is asking questions from this topic. So each and every step is important. I told you in fatty synthase acetyl coenzyme is converted to malonyl coenzyme, rate limiting enzyme, sufficient amount of acetyl and malonyl coenzyme in cytosol. Further synthesis take place on fatty acid synthase complex. Now acetyl comes to malonyl, condensation reaction occur, CO2 is removed. Question: this is called condensation reaction. This is called condensation reaction. Question is asked: condensation reaction, CO2 is removed. Condensation reaction is catalyzed by which enzyme? Ketoacyl synthase. Now this ketoacyl compound is formed having keto group, but we are to synthesize this butyric acid, so this keto group must be converted to CH2. To convert this keto group to CH2, we require 3 enzymes. Those are reductase, hydratase and reductase. And I told you, wherever you want reduction, you require NADPH. Yes, I told you the most important reducing equivalent is NADPH. Wherever we want reduction, we use NADPH. So this reductase require NADPH. This reductase require NADPH. Question was asked. Yes, I initially told you HMP shunt that NADPH is required for fatty acid synthesis. Correct. NADPH required for cholesterol synthesis. NADPH required for steroid hormone synthesis. NADPH required for conversion of oxidized glutathione to reduced glutathione. So NADPH is used in fatty acid synthesis by which enzyme? Reductase or ketoacyl reductase. Clear? Or by these reactions, these enzyme, this 4 carbon fatty acid is converted. Yes, 4 carbon ketoacyl compound is converted to 4 carbon fatty acid. So this is 4 carbon fatty acid synthesis. Suppose we are to synthesize 6 carbon fatty acid. Now 4 carbon fatty acid will join at, or you can say this 4 carbon will be transferred to cysteine end, or you can say 4 carbon fatty acid, suppose butyric acid, joined to cysteine end, one more malonyl coenzyme joined to pan, 4 plus 3 7, condensation reaction occur, CO2 is removed, 4 carbon compound ketoacyl is produced, sorry 6 carbon, sorry again, 4 plus 3 7, condensation reaction occurs, CO2 removed, yes, 6 carbon ketoacyl compound is formed, reductase, hydratase, reductase, 6 carbon fatty acid will be produced. If you want to produce 8 carbon, 6 carbon fatty acid will join at this point, 6 plus 3 9, condensation reaction, CO2 removed, 8 carbon fatty acid. So the point is that in each cycle two carbon unit is joined in fatty acid synthesis. This is a question. In fatty acid synthesis, in each reaction two carbon unit is joined. But initial reaction, the first cycle 2 plus 2, 4 carbon atoms are joined. But in subsequent reactions 2 carbon are joined in each cycle. Okay, on subsequent cycles, sorry, not reaction, in subsequent cycles, each cycle 2 carbon units are joined. So this is fatty acid synthesis. So fatty acid synthesis take place in cytosol, as you know all these things.